Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify clothing website. Start by signing up for a Shopify account, which offers a 3-day free trial and then a $1 per month plan for the first 3 months. Choose a memorable store name and secure a custom domain. Next, select a theme aligning with your clothing style and customize it with your logo and colors. Create key pages like About Us and Contact to provide essential information. This foundational setup is crucial for a professional online presence. Now, let's talk about your products. First, define your clothing niche and who you want to sell to. You can source items through dropshipping, buying wholesale, or using print-on-demand services. When listing, craft compelling product descriptions that emphasize benefits and materials, like 100% organic cotton. Always upload several high-resolution images showcasing the clothing from various angles and on different body types to give customers a clear view of what they are purchasing. Setting up your operational backbone is next. Integrate secure payment gateways, such as Shopify payments, to process transactions smoothly. Clearly define your shipping rates and the regions you serve, offering options like standard or express delivery. Develop a transparent return and refund policy, typically allowing returns within 30 days. Finally, ensure your store complies with all legal requirements by publishing comprehensive privacy policies and terms of service, building trust with your customers. With your store ready, it's time to attract customers. Optimize product listings and store content with relevant keywords to improve search engine visibility. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok to showcase your clothing and engage with potential buyers. Start building an email list for newsletters and exclusive promotions, perhaps offering a 10% discount for new subscribers. Finally, launch your store and continuously monitor sales data and customer feedback to refine strategies and grow your brand.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.